Samsung is ready to launch Galaxy A53. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy A53 is around the corner and we may see this device in coming weeks, but new leaks are coming with its confirmed price and the whole new software support for the Galaxy A53 5G. If Samsung stick to its releasing pattern, then we may see Galaxy A53 in any time in March 2022, just like its predecessor Galaxy A52 last year. Samsung Galaxy A53 could be an option for people who are looking for a good device but not too special. Every specification of Galaxy A53 is confirmed. There are a couple of devices that will launch alongside with A53 and more. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy A53 5G or iPhone SE3. Which one would you prefer? According to an Italian retailer, we get the price of Galaxy A53 5G, which is a bit more than its predecessor A52, standing at €469. This is a price leak for European markets, and Roland on his Twitter account confirmed these prices. Galaxy A52 last year standing at €449, which is not a big difference. But with this year, Samsung is planning to give 4 years of software update. Samsung didn't mention the A series with 4 years of support, but 2022 devices will get 4 years of updates. Let's hope that this device will get 4 years of software update support. Samsung Galaxy A53 comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 25W of fast charger, a 6.4 inches 120Hz Super AMOLED display, and a lot of people are concerned about Exynos 1200. There are no Geekbench score. We cannot say anything about this, how fast this processor will be, because we always see Exynos performance really bad compared to the Snapdragon variants. You can look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra, poor performance. Samsung Galaxy A53 comes with the 4 lenses on the back, 64MP main lens, 12MP ultra wide, 5MP macro and 5MP depth sensor, and 32MP selfie camera. This can be your next budget device, but please get some reviews on Exynos 1200 before going for the Galaxy A53 because Exynos is not doing good. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Galaxy A53 5G or iPhone SE3. Which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.